I'm just out doing a little yard sailing, and I really like this yard sale. So I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna get my IKEA bag. I'm gonna go see if we can fill it up a little bit. I mean, who could beat a yard sale on a Friday with a view like this? There's some wonderful people out here. We've got a whole house full of stuff we need to sell. And we're gonna look around and see if we can find any goodies in this whole place. Yard sale, and I just want to show you what a beautiful place we were at a yard sale at. It was just so amazing around here. It's such a pretty day. Here's our haul and all these tubs and buckets. $45 in total is what we paid, and we're gonna go and figure out how much we're gonna make on this haul. It's some amazing views of this farmland here. All right, we couldn't resist stopping by one more place before we went home today. Let's see what they have. It's a beautiful location. I'll have to find some stuff. I think I saw a VCR a minute ago. It's definitely a dealer of some sort, but the prices are pretty good. I have a Sanyo VCR for $4. It has a remote, so I'll probably end up getting that one. Hello again, everybody. We're finally getting to the Friday yard sale haul. We went to one yard sale, and we've got some footage that we showed you earlier, and we're going to show you the final result of this haul. We made quite a bit of money, me and my wife, at a one single country Friday yard sale. So let's take a look. My wife found this Blue Mountain pottery, and this was $5. We got a piece for $3 and $5, and we actually got a better deal than that when we bundled everything together at the end. I would say we got about 20% off in all. Everything you see here went for $44 is what we paid for it, so we did terrific. Just two of these items right here, I'll take a closer look. Just two of these items right here are gonna already put us in the profit for the rest of these items. We'll cover the costs and give us a little bit of profit before we even get going. This one here is a dolphin, which I don't really want to take out of its bubble wrap here, and it comes with the box, so that's a little easier for shipping. But those three items will give us probably about a $35 to $40 profit already, and then we'll talk about some of these other smaller items. And I'm going to put these off to the side so I don't break them. Found some 35mm cameras. This is an empty case. They're marked 25 cents a piece for some 35mm cameras. I think there's a total of 3 of them. They're all in the little packages. I don't even think they've ever been used, to be perfectly honest with you. Here's a Vivitar, and it's still in the box. I mean, they're not high priced, but they're definitely going to make, I would say, $15, $20 on those 3. Might sell them all together to get rid of them quick. Funny story, I was looking for some tape my daughter used the other day, and I couldn't believe it was like $9 to buy this tape, a roll of this, a bunch of this tape. So got it for $0.25. I've sold these bacteriostatic water treatment units before, NSA, National Safety Association's filters before. Can't remember exactly how much they go for, probably around $25 plus shipping. That was in the lot. Some of this I don't even remember, to be honest. These are some stamps. I think my wife picked these up for some different things, with a ton of note cards and cute little pictures in here, and some stamps. Really dirt cheap on these. A lot of them brand new, still on the packages. Some bookmarks and a bunch of stamps underneath below, some mermaids and different things like that. It's $3 for the box is what it said, but I think we got it cheaper than that. I'm sure we did in the bundle. a little bit of Tupperware, which we can sell on eBay or we can sell in a booth eventually. This is a International Santa Claus collection, Poncho Navidad, Mexico. That was in there. That should go about $15 at Christmas. Some more of that tape. Little organizer I'm probably going to use downstairs in my little eBay cave. Like I said, they were really trying to get rid of everything. It was an estate sale, sort of. The family themselves were putting it on. Clearly, there was up against a deadline, so they were basically handing stuff out, giving it away. Here's some Terra multi-surface liquid ant baits, and these sell pretty well. Blue Ridge Mama found that one as well. Tangram magnetic puzzle play. Either to sell or let the kids have as a gift or let them play with this summer. It's brand new in the package. Here's a CB 40 channel walkie-talkie from Radio Shack, brand new in here. The box has been opened. That's probably a $40 item. Now this one is a Dooney and Burke bag that was thrown in that lot as well. I'm not sure how much it's worth, but we'll check that one out. Here's a little fanny pack we bought. You always can't ever have enough of those fanny packs. That was kind of a throw-in as well. A little stuffed animal. This one sells for $15. It's Elmo by Orzik, 1990. It's got the honey all over it. Cute little thing. Got some CDs thrown in. Country USA, brand new in the package. 60s jukebox. Best of 60s 2 CDs. And Precious Memories, the Gaithers, Bill and Gloria Gaither, all brand new in the packages. So either sell those in an antique booth or sell them on eBay. Long, I don't know, pasta maybe, Tupperware. Found another vintage fanny pack, money bag it says, America money bag, old one. I got this as a throw-in as well, just got her to sweeten the deal up. These aren't a whole lot of money, you can sell them on eBay, but I like to take them with not such a great VCR and kind of package it together to make it look a little better. Somebody can get this, the VCR, can get a remote, can get some blank tapes, you know, for 40 bucks plus shipping. It's just a way to get rid of some of my worst VCRs. The records, didn't even look through them. Essentially, they're $5 for the whole thing. A lot of it is, I think, Christian and country. Don Gibson, never heard of that one. A lot of them are pretty cheap, but something I could sell and flip a pretty quick profit. Travis Brothers. That one looks like it's brand new. No, it's open. To somebody who has a booth or put it in a booth, maybe look and see if there's a few. There's Johnny Paycheck. A few that maybe could sell on eBay. I don't like to sell records on eBay unless I know they're going to bring some decent money, because it's a pain to go through each one. Herman's Hermits. My old grandpa might like that one. So there's some decent ones in here. We'll have to pull through and look and see if there's anything special. We'll pull them out a little later. I know there were some Statler Brothers in here, which we're from Virginia, so Statler Brothers sometimes we'll sell in antique malls and stuff like that. The Plainsman. Some bigger sets, Music City USA. In a set, so I'm sure there's some good money in there. Definitely a great deal for only $5. There's probably 50 in here, so pretty happy with that one. Got this big container in the deal as well. And then a bunch of Tupperware, so a bunch of Tupperware. A lot of times I'll sell just the lids. I'll take the lids off. You get them for a quarter piece. You can make about $5 a piece on these. So that's what we're looking at. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe below. And hopefully we'll do a few more Friday yard sales in the future and show you some Saturday hauls as well. All right, thanks for joining us.